Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are exploring the fascinating history of the Swedish 2 Kronor coin, one of the most historic and respected coins in Scandinavian numismatics. Although it is no longer produced for everyday circulation, the 2 Kronor coin remains an important part of Sweden's monetary heritage and continues to attract collectors from around the world. The story of this coin is closely connected with the history of the Swedish monarchy, the Scandinavian Monetary Union, and the remarkable development of Sweden into one of Europe's most stable and prosperous nations. Every Swedish 2 Kronor coin reflects a unique period in the country's history, carrying the portrait of a monarch, the national coat of arms, royal mottos, and artistic details that tell the story of more than a century of Swedish coinage. For collectors, the Swedish 2 Kronor series offers an exciting combination of historical importance, silver content in many early issues, rare dates, beautiful designs, and valuable varieties that continue to make these coins highly desirable. The history of the Swedish krona began in 1873 when Sweden joined the Scandinavian Monetary Union together with Denmark, followed shortly afterward by Norway. The union introduced the krona as the common monetary unit, replacing the earlier riksdaler and simplifying trade among the Scandinavian countries. The word krona means crown, reflecting the constitutional monarchies that shared the new monetary system. Gold served as the foundation of the union, and the participating countries issued coins that could circulate freely across national borders while maintaining their own national designs. Although the Scandinavian Monetary Union eventually dissolved during the early 20th century, Sweden retained the krona as its national currency, and it remains the official currency of Sweden today. The Swedish 2 Kronor denomination became one of the most important higher-value circulation coins during this period, serving both everyday commerce and larger financial transactions. The first Swedish 2 Kronor coins were introduced in the late 19th century and were struck primarily in silver, making them especially attractive to modern collectors. These early coins featured the portrait of the reigning Swedish monarch on the obverse, continuing a long European tradition of displaying the head of state on national coinage. Over the decades, portraits changed as new kings ascended the throne. Collectors can find 2 Kronor coins bearing the portraits of King Oscar II, King Gustaf V, and King Gustaf VI Adolf, with each design reflecting the artistic style and political era of its time. Around the portrait often appears the king's official title in Latin, while the reverse displays the Swedish national coat of arms beneath the royal crown, symbolizing the authority, independence, and long history of the Kingdom of Sweden. Many coins also include the royal motto, adding another layer of historical significance to each piece. One of the reasons the Swedish 2 Kronor coin remains so popular is its silver composition. Most early issues were struck in 80% silver, giving the coin both intrinsic precious metal value and numismatic appeal. The silver content means that even common dates may be worth considerably more than their face value, especially when silver prices rise. Collectors appreciate these coins not only for their historical importance but also for their beautiful craftsmanship, detailed engraving, and precious metal content. Over time, however, changing economic conditions and increasing silver prices made precious metal coinage less practical for everyday circulation, eventually leading Sweden to replace silver coins with less expensive materials in lower denominations while discontinuing the regular production of the 2 Kronor coin. The Swedish 2 Kronor coin also reflects the remarkable stability of Swedish society throughout the 20th century. While many European nations experienced major currency reforms, hyperinflation, or repeated monetary changes, Sweden maintained the krona as its national currency. The 2 Kronor coin circulated through periods of industrial expansion, 2 world wars during which Sweden remained officially neutral, technological innovation, and the growth of the modern welfare state. Every surviving coin therefore represents not only Swedish monetary history but also the social and economic development of one of Europe's oldest constitutional monarchies. Today, collectors search for these coins because they combine royal history, silver content, historical significance, and attractive designs within a single series. In the next part, we will explore the rare dates, key varieties, mint errors, collector value, and the important details that can make certain Swedish 2 Kronor coins highly valuable in today's numismatic market. The Swedish 2 Kronor coin has earned a special place in the world of numismatics because it combines precious metal content, royal history, elegant Scandinavian design, and genuine rarity. Although millions of these coins were produced during their years of circulation, not every date is equally common. Some years had much lower mintages, while others have become difficult to find because many silver coins were melted when the price of silver increased. As a result, collectors carefully examine the year, condition, silver content, and any unusual minting characteristics before determining a coin's value. One of the most appealing features of the Swedish II Kronor series is the changing portraits of Sweden's monarchs. Coins of King Oscar II, issued during the late 19th and early 20th centuries, are among the earliest examples and are admired for their classical engraving. Later, the portrait of King Gustaf V appeared on the coin, reflecting Sweden during the First World War, the interwar years, and much of the Second World War. Coins bearing the image of King Gustaf VI Adolf represent the final chapter of the traditional silver II Kronor series and remain popular because of their historical importance and attractive design. Collectors often build complete sets organized by monarch, allowing them to follow the development of Swedish history through its coinage. The reverse side of the coin is equally impressive. It displays the lesser coat of arms of Sweden, crowned and surrounded by elegant inscriptions that emphasize the country's royal heritage. Many issues also feature the royal motto Med Folket för Fosterlandet, meaning with the people for the fatherland. This motto reflects the close relationship between the Swedish monarchy and the nation, making the coin not only a monetary instrument but also a symbol of national unity. The detailed engraving, balanced composition, and high-quality minting have made the Swedish II Kronor coin one of the most beautiful silver circulation coins produced in Scandinavia. Because most traditional II Kronor coins were struck in 80% silver, they possess intrinsic bullion value in addition to collector value. Even common dates are usually worth more than their original face value because of their silver content. However, collector demand can increase prices significantly for coins with lower mintages, exceptional preservation, or historical importance. Brilliant uncirculated examples displaying original mint luster are especially desirable because most surviving coins circulated for many years before being withdrawn. Coins with sharp details, minimal wear, and attractive natural toning often command much stronger prices than heavily worn pieces. Some collectors also seek proof-like examples or coins preserved in official mint packaging, although these are considerably scarcer than ordinary circulation issues. Mint errors provide another exciting area of collecting. Although the Swedish mint maintained very high production standards, occasional mistakes still occurred during the minting process. Collectors search for off-center strikes, clipped planchets, die cracks, doubled lettering, rotated dies, and weak strikes. Genuine mint errors are relatively uncommon and can attract considerable attention because they represent unusual events during production. As always, collectors should distinguish authentic mint errors from damage caused after the coin entered circulation. Professional authentication is often recommended for unusual pieces, particularly when a coin appears to have a significant error or an exceptionally rare variety. Another important factor affecting collector value is rarity. Some dates were produced in much smaller quantities than others, while many coins disappeared through melting programs when silver prices increased during the 20th century. Because thousands of silver coins were melted, surviving high-grade examples have become increasingly difficult to locate. This has made complete date collections much more challenging and rewarding. Experienced collectors carefully study mintage figures and auction records to identify the most desirable years within the series. The Swedish II Kronor coin represents a remarkable combination of history, artistry, and precious metal value. Every surviving example tells a story about Sweden's monarchy, economy, and national development. Whether collected for its silver content, royal portraits, historical significance, or potential rarity, the series continues to attract collectors from around the world. In the final part, we will explore how to collect, preserve, authenticate, and evaluate Swedish II Kronor coins while examining the lasting legacy that has made this denomination one of Scandinavia's most respected collectible coins. As we come to the end of the remarkable story of the Swedish II Kronor coin, it becomes clear that this historic silver coin represents far more than its face value. It is a lasting symbol of Sweden's royal heritage, economic stability, and centuries-old tradition of producing beautifully crafted coinage. From its introduction during the era of the Scandinavian Monetary Union to its final years in circulation, the II Kronor coin faithfully served the Swedish people while reflecting the nation's history through changing monarchs, artistic designs, and carefully engraved royal symbols. Today, long after its circulation has ended, it continues to inspire collectors around the world because it combines historical importance, precious metal value, and exceptional craftsmanship in a single coin. One of the greatest attractions of collecting Swedish II Kronor coins is the opportunity to build a complete collection covering different monarchs, years, and varieties. Many collectors begin with coins of King Oscar II before continuing with the long-running issues of King Gustaf V and finally the later coins of King Gustaf VI Adolf. This approach allows collectors to follow more than half a century of Swedish history through official coinage. Others focus on collecting one example from every year of issue or search for the lowest mintage dates that are becoming increasingly difficult to obtain. Because many silver coins were melted during periods of high silver prices, surviving examples in excellent condition are now much scarcer than original mintage figures suggest. This has increased collector demand for well-preserved coins and made complete collections both challenging and rewarding. Condition remains one of the most important factors influencing value. Coins that circulated for many years often show worn portraits, faded lettering, and surface marks, while uncirculated examples retain their original mint luster, sharp design details, and attractive natural toning. Collectors generally prefer coins that have never been cleaned because original surfaces are highly valued in the numismatic community. Cleaning or polishing can permanently damage the delicate surface of silver coins, reducing both their beauty and their market value. For this reason, experienced collectors always recommend leaving coins in their natural condition, even when they have developed darker silver toning over time. Proper storage is equally important. Swedish 2 Kronor coins should be handled only by their edges and stored in archival quality holders, protective capsules, or acid-free coin albums. Exposure to moisture, humidity, direct sunlight, and poor-quality plastic holders should be avoided because these conditions can accelerate tarnishing or surface damage. Collectors who preserve their coins carefully help ensure that future generations will be able to appreciate both their beauty and historical significance. Professional grading and authentication services can also be valuable, especially for rare dates, exceptionally well-preserved examples, or coins suspected of having unusual mint errors. Certified coins provide confidence regarding authenticity, condition, and market value, making them easier to buy, sell, or include in advanced collections. Mint errors continue to add excitement to the Swedish 2 Kronor series. Although the Swedish Mint maintained exceptionally high production standards, occasional mistakes such as off-center strikes, clipped planchets, doubled lettering, die cracks, rotated dies, and weak strikes occasionally escaped into circulation. Genuine mint errors are uncommon and often attract strong interest because of their rarity and uniqueness. However, collectors should always distinguish authentic minting errors from damage caused after a coin entered circulation. Learning these differences is an important part of becoming a knowledgeable numismatist. Beyond rarity and silver content, the Swedish 2 Kronor coin has tremendous educational value. It teaches collectors about Sweden's monarchy, the Scandinavian Monetary Union, the evolution of European currencies, precious metal coinage, and the artistic traditions of Scandinavian engraving. Every portrait, inscription, and royal emblem reflects a specific period in Swedish history, allowing each coin to serve as a miniature historical document. Even though the denomination is no longer produced for circulation, its legacy remains strong among collectors and historians alike. Whether you collect Swedish 2 Kronor coins for their silver value, historical significance, royal portraits, rare dates, or beautiful craftsmanship, they remain one of Scandinavia's most respected and rewarding coin series. They remind us that a coin is much more than money. It is a lasting piece of history that preserves the culture, traditions, and identity of a nation for generations to come. Thanks for watching.